Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, we have Microsoft that's coming back at it again about the end of support of Windows 10. And it is sad because as we're going through it, you know what? It just doesn't mention one critical thing. And that is sad, personally. I think it's really something that shouldn't be. So they've pretty much came back today and said, well, here's how to prepare your Windows 10 machine when end of support arrives. And the first thing, of course, is to, make sure that your PC is compatible or not for an upgrade to Windows 11. And it then continues with, backing up your data, making sure that your data is in the cloud or somewhere that you won't, lose it. It then mentions that, you should, go into the settings in Windows and use the reset option. So, that you can actually reset this PC and, choose the option to remove everything to make sure that if you recycle your PC, that nothing personal is going to be on there. And of course, then the last option they tell you is, recycle your PC correctly so that it is, good for the environment. There's nothing but good about the environment, about, PCs, even recycling a PC, honestly, because you are creating more PCs to be built. In a case where, we could still have some time. And this is where I'm tired of Microsoft here. On that. And, this could have been a daily rant, honestly. It's the fact that Microsoft totally omits to talk about, you can keep your PC another year if you want with us, with our extended support for security updates. No mention at all of all of it. And, of course, not counting that you can have more than 1 year with zero patch. Now, granted that zero patch is only fixing exploited and critical flaws. It doesn't fix all of them. It's still a interesting option to continue using your PC for several years. And what is sad about it too is the fact that the lack of letting users know about 1 year extended support, that 1 year could be just what's needed for a lot of people to, just make sure that they're ready to get a new computer. And that also is something sad, is because you're kind of rushing people and saying, it's the end. Better buy a PC. Like if, money grows in trees and it's easy for everyone. It doesn't work like that. This is where Microsoft is really making me tired, not mentioning all the options. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.